Hi boys and girls, look where I'm at, on our playground. Our playground is sure different without you guys running around, playing with your friends and hearing all your laughter. I think our playground is pretty lonely right now. So I thought I would just come out here and sit on this comfy couch and read your story to you this evening. Hope everybody's had a great day, and I thought, what book should I read? And then I knew exactly what book I should read. I'm going to read one of your favorite stories that you always beg me to read to you. My Daddy Snores. And since we did D today, I thought, well, Daddy starts with D, and you guys love this story so much, so that's why I picked this book for today. So here is My Daddy Snores. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled and the walls trembled. Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of the bed. So she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. Aroo! No snoring zone. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Here comes a neighbor going by. We'll let him go by. There we go. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie, having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream. Does your daddy snore? Mr. Jerry snores. That's a cute book, isn't it? I knew you would like it. Wow, it's such a pretty day. I'll have circle time in the morning, and then Dolly Parton will read the story tomorrow night. So it's been a great day. I hope you have had a great day also. Bye.